Hey guys, so we are a little bit close right by my house, but I wanted to stop and make a video for you guys. I've got geese coming up towards me, and along here, it's so nice. There's a tree that's just so pretty. So anything with nature, I absolutely love because it's calming, you know. So if you're on a walk somewhere and you want to just stop and take a minute and catch your breath, or, take a picture, nature is probably one of the best things to do, especially when you're walking, because right now I can't get enough of this. Like, it's so beautiful out here. Like, there's so many different kinds of green stuff, but there's that house back here which nobody lives in, but that's okay. But maybe this is a better view. You guys should see this lake. It's so nice. But I am going to go continue my walk home. The sidewalk here, guys, it's paved in, so it's nice. But this is another part of where I'm walking. I love these palm trees. They're so beautiful. So nice to see trees and, and all they're beautiful. They're so nice, Oh, sorry about the car. But, let me see if I can turn around and show you guys. That's where I walked all the way down. And then stopped at the lake. More houses. So more houses, and then another part. But yeah, I don't know if you can see because of the sun. That's where I was. All right, guys, I will see you guys tonight.